Welcome to my channel. We will be learning how can we use Copilot to answer our queries, how can we create documents within the seconds. So if you are unsure, so stay tuned and watch till the end if you want to save hours at work. Let's dive in. To access the Microsoft 365 Copilot, head over to browser and type MS365 login, press enter. And this is the very first one, Office 365 login. Click on this one, and I will be straight in because I have already logged in. But if you haven't had an account, you can create an account. It's very easy information, and I'm in the paid subscription. It is the Personal 365 Copilot. So you can choose a subscription according to your choice. So this is the very first layout. On the top side, you can see the search. I can search any document, any templates, and I can upload the documents as well. Second option is chat. So I can ask anything. It is literally like my friend. So I can even ask hello, hi as well. However, what I ask is the top five risks of not walking on daily basis. Press enter, and now it will give me the answer within no matter of time. It's not even like a 3 seconds. It's gave me the answer already. So you can see now all those risks for not walking on daily basis. So this is how I can quickly answer the queries. And again, so on the conversation side, it is the history of your previous request, all the requests which you've been asked in the past. And the other option, I will just minimize this conversation tab. And the next one is create. If I click this create button, and then I can create any document, any form, any presentation, any workbook, and I can use the standard template as well. So for this example, for this video, I would go with the create a document and click this one, and then either I can use a template or I can create from the blank. If I click this one, blank document, it will start opening the blank Word document for me, and I will take it from here. And now you can see it has opened the blank Word document. So what I would like, so you can see the search bar here. So it's asking what do you want Copilot to draft. So I would say, uh, can you please tell me top tips for interview of sale executive? If I just press enter, it's very simple prompt. You can upload any reference document if you have like job description or something, or you can give the detailed prompt as much as you want to make it the tailored approach, the tailored answer. So now you can see in no matter of time, it gave me the loads of tips. So you can start from here, like very first one about preparing understanding of the role, research company, prepare to showcase your sales skill, demonstrate excellent communication skills, and blah blah blah. It is like 10 tips and provided detail as well, and also provided conclusion. So here I can regenerate the answer as well, or I can delete it, and again I can amend by asking anything further. And again, or if I'm happy, I can just click keep it, and it will keep this detail, keep this answer, and then I can make any change, or if any edits, if I want to change any formatting, any color, if I want to change, I can change its color or apply some other formatting as well. And in terms of, I can share this document by click this one and share or copy the link as well. And I can manage access so someone else can edit this document as well with the restricted access if I want to. Or I can download the copy by go to the file, create a copy, and download a copy. Click this one and it will download a copy. Now you can see, so if I just press this one download, it will download this document in my downloads folder. So if I head over to downloads, and you can see this document 4, if I double click to open it and check, so it's opening now. You can see now the my formatting is there, answer is still there, so it has downloaded the Word document for me. So this is how you can use the Copilot. The rest of it's just apps, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and at the bottom is a login detail. It show your login details. So this is how I can use the Copilot to make my life easy. Hit the like button if this video is helpful, and make sure to subscribe my channel.